Hermes Monaco. We'll see what they have. Coffee. Hello, how are you doing today? Today we went to Hermes Monaco and we're going to do an unboxing of this one. This is a really exciting and a good find that we had in. This is an exciting unboxing because this is the first time that we will have this collar and bag. So this is a bag. So Sebastian is going to open this one for us. And then it was a really good experience that we have had there. And then this is the new collar that they have. Any guesses on this one? It is just a small box. Yay! There you go. This one is the Mini Evelyn in green ponton. I will write the name of it so you will see it. It is the new color that they have. It is not blue, it's gray. But for me, if you're going to look at it on a different light exposure, it's going to be like bluish for me, but this one is gray. And then you have seen Mini Evelyn already before. It comes with a strap, a cloth strap, and then in this one is in palladium hardware. And then we're going to put it together. This one is the mini one. It's as big as my palm, but it can fit a lot, so which is really good. There you go. And there you have it. There's the stamp Hermes Paris, made in France. And this is our first Mini Evelyn. We love it. And definitely we will use this one for a long time. And then there you go. That's just as big as his palm. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is going to be a quick unboxing of this gorgeousness. We hope that you like this video. Thank you very much. We'll see you again. There's a lot more unboxing. There is a Hermes haul that's coming up. Stay tuned on that one. There's a Gouillard unboxing. Stay tuned on that one. We'll see you again. We love you all. Until next time, thank you very much for supporting us. And be sure to comment below, subscribe, like this video. We'll see you again. Bye.